Hey guys, on your island, my notes, I lost half of the handwritten notes I had, and the island front wasn't completely built or drawn on the computer. So I need some clarification from you guys for the island. The notes I do have is the case of the cabinet is 17 and 7/8 deep, plus the thickness of the doors. I have the height from the floor to the top of the cabinet at 34. I know we had a trash compactor on here that we pulled out and we're just putting a trash cabinet here. But another measurement I need is the width of it and possibly the configuration, because I don't think this is how it's laid out. The new cabinet in the corner where the bar area, this one was pretty complete. But if you want to double check this too, we have a total width of 54 3/4, a height of 31, and this 16 3/4 is the opening size of if you open the door, the inside of the frame. That's the height of the face frame. So that's the top of the drawer box. So this is the face frame, the bottom of the face frame. So that's the 5 inches. A depth of 23 and 7/8, 3 drawers, drawer, and then our doors here. And I believe we're going to be able to salvage or reuse some of these fronts. But if you want to let me know on the island, and I apologize for taking so long to get back to you. It's busy these days. But yeah, just verify the width. Well, all of it, I guess. But again, I've got that depth, the width of this, the configuration of the front, and I can tune these up and get back to you guys. Thanks.